Good morning. Welcome to the hotsoftware.com Excel Custom Duplicates Remover. This is a really cool Microsoft add-in that makes it easy to remove duplicate entries. Plus, you can also have two lists, and you can find the data in common, or you can find the data that's not in common. So it's really good for list organization, list management, and so forth. So to get started, this is how it works. First of all, you go to the hotsoftware.com website and then download this application. You run it, then click this button. It'll automatically install the add-in into Microsoft Excel for you. You also want to make sure that you have macros enabled, because if you don't, it might not work, and it's very important to have it enabled. So once you do that, you go to the add-ins menu, and then you go to the duplicates remover software right here. You can open this custom duplicates remover right here. And actually, first of all, I need to select some data. So as you can see right here, I have sample 001, then 002, then 001. So you can see that there's some duplicate data here. So I click this, and then I want to only keep the unique entries. So what I do is I choose a target location. Let's say I want to stick the result right here, and then I click this button. And you'll find that you only have sample 001 and 002, so it removed the duplicate there. Now let's show the list example. Here's an example where you might have two email lists. Let's say this was a list of prospects, and then this was a list of people that responded. However, you only want to get the people that haven't responded yet because you want to follow up with them. So for example, you would go back in here, you'd open this up, then you'd select the first list, which is, say, this email list right here. Then you'd select the second list, which is this list right here. Now I'd say, oh, and you want to do the target, so this is where it will be output. Now you'll find only the differences in both lists and output to the target. So I do that, and you see this sam@hotmail.com. So like I said, this was the list emailed the first time, and this was the list that responded. So now you would have a list of prospects that you could follow up with. Likewise, if you say wanted to find only people that had responded, so for example, this, you emailed this list first, then the second said, hi, how are you doing, blah, blah, blah. Then again, you would go here, you'd open this up, first list is right here, second list is right there, and then let's say the target location is down here, and then I want to find only matches in both lists. And then you can see Joe Smith is here. So that's how the list functionality is used, and it's really quite useful. Now, of course, there's some other bonus features, so you can actually ignore the case, because by default it is case sensitive. You can also remove the blank cells. So let's say you had an email list with a lot of blanks. It just condenses the results, makes it look nicer. You can trim white space and so forth. So anyways, this is really great application. If you want to get it, simply go to the hotsoftware.com website, or if you're viewing this on a video sharing site, simply click on the link in the description below, and it'll take you right there. Okay, thanks, and have a great day.